Here we are on the Bluestone Street Sidewalk, and we're finishing up our trench today. We finished up the concrete, maybe a little touch up later, but for the most part it's finished. And I'm going to just walk down through here and tell you a little bit about it. One thing is we're putting an 8 to 10 inch trench on each side with crushed stone in it. I think it was number 1. And you can see where we patched here. Now the real white is a S-type mortar. And then this is more of a top coat, a little darker. So some of the things I've noticed is the S mortar, it's not really great for when you're doing small areas, really thin. It wants to break away like you can see it did here. So the top coat is much better for that. So we're probably going to come through and do a little top coating here and there. And you can see where there was a slant in the sidewalk, because one's higher than the other. Here we dug down and filled in, it's at least 4 inches of concrete underneath these areas. This we straightened out the best we could and filled in. And you can see how deep we're going on the trenches and the crushed stone. So this is our last little area here. That should keep the water away from the stone. I've also went through and done all these cracks, hoping to keep the grass out of them so it doesn't grow and then spread. Now here is a place where it broke out, so I'm going to have to clean that and redo that. Maybe it was too hot that day. In this case, this stone is still moving, so there's no way it's going to be concreted in with it moving that much, but it's okay anyways. Down here we did quite a bit of repair down here. And then we're back to where we did new stuff. So we're going to leave this as is. And there you go. That's our Bluestone Street Sidewalk.